Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna talk about something about a gold, something about a silver. Look, I was wrong, just making a sense about gold and silver, because I was thinking that gold is just a wasteless product. I know that this is the reality, but once I began to understand this, it will give me a 2 to 3% only, 4% only. But after that I want to buy a gold. Then I have to make more money, save more money for investing in the gold. But that is not a right strategy. And I learned today that as Robert Kiyosaki said, that if you spend your money in a silver, that means you are going to be rich. For that, if you look at that example, in all company, all world is going to be a green. But for that they should have a silver, that they made a EV vehicle, electric vehicle, from the silver, and they made a solar plate from the silver. For that, it is industrial ingredient that have increased in the that would be increased in the future, and it is required for the industry, and it is essential. It is essential for every industry who made a car with silver, who made a solar plate with silver, and that is the part of the every silver. And if you want to grow, if you have a right choice for this silver, then you get beyond of this. I know that I have a no choice for the silver. I, in fact, today I know that today I know that silver is matter, because we lots of women are never talk about a silver. We always talk about gold. That is, gold is priority. Gold is very good for every woman. They should wear the gold jewelry. They should buy the gold. But at the end, it will cut by a 15%. If you buy a 22 carat gold, it will reduce by 15%. And after that you only get 75%. That is not a right strategy. I think you buy that time and that time, that is the same level of money. You can measure this, and I actually measure this. I buy a earring in 2018. That time that was cost of 30,000, and now that is cost of 30,000 also. It's not fair. It's not balanced. It just same. And that time it is cut by a you can say it is cut by a 25% also. So what I get? Nothing I get. So for that I want to learn more and more things about this thing. Look, sometimes I get stuck about this. I know that when I watch something newly, something unimaginable, then I began to think about it, and my mind began to work on it. How I get? How can I do? How can I think about this situation, this ingredient? And now I want to conclude that if you try some little bit, you can get some little bit. This is right choice. And I try my best. I'm not saying that money is everything. Money is just essential part of our life, and everybody wants money for the fulfill their needs, all their all needs, you can say. And most important, we all needs to being a happy person and being a healthy person. It is most important, but we never think about it. And I realize sometimes my mind, how work my mind, I know that. And I can I can question to myself, that question to my mind, that what are you? Have you sense or not? And that's why I'm here to reforming myself, to improving myself. Today is enough. Thank you so much.